according to the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) as Space Weather Prediction Center forecast on November 24th. No geomagnetic or solar radiation storms are expected. A solar magnetic storm, known as coronal mass ejection (CMEs), refers to the explosive ejection of plasma from the Sun when directed at the Earth. Solar storms can impact the planet's atmosphere and deform the Earth's magnetic shield, potentially causing disruptions to satellites, power grids, and communication systems. Scientists monitor activity on the Sun during a solar cycle, the reversal of the Sun's magnetic north and south poles, which happens every 11 years. By monitoring solar phenomena and forecasting the solar cycle, scientists are able to anticipate the probability of solar flares and CMEs occurring. NOAA projects that the current solar cycle, Cycle 25, will reach its peak between January and October 2024. There are no reports of a solar superstorm. A CME was spotted on November 15th, but was not directed at the Earth. The latest report of potential geomagnetic disturbances occurring between November 4th to 10 was issued by the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center on November 4th, and said some CMEs may reach Earth as at least glancing blows, as this time a CME was spotted on November 15th, but was not directed at the Earth. The latest report of potential geomagnetic disturbances occurring between November 4th to 10th was issued by the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center on November 4th and said some CMEs may reach Earth as at least glancing blows. Scientists predict solar storms and space weather by looking at satellite data, historical data, data from observation and ground-based instruments, and predictive models. Scientists have also been developing forecast methods that would give 1 to 3 days notice of impending solar storms and solar flares, such as a warning system at NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center and a new solar flare forecast method developed by scientists from the Institute for Earth Environmental Research in Japan, the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory, and scientists from George Mason University are also working to develop an early warning system that could provide between 18 to 24 hours of advance notice. In a 2007 article, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) said the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory enabled scientists to give advance notice as much as an hour when a storm is approaching. Solar radiation storms are notoriously difficult to predict. They often take us by surprise, but now we found a way to anticipate these events. Physicist Eric Posner said,